on today's in-home episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to reuse those Easter eggs that you have laying around your house from Easter. I myself have about 40 of them, so I came up with a game called Oh My Bird Color Relay. And in this game, not only does it get your child up and moving, but it also encourages them to use different motor skills, helps them practice with their color sorting, and counting. We also discovered some other activities and fun things you could do with the eggs after you're done the actual game. So, stay tuned, check out the whole video from me. And Lil B, you coming out? What you got? You got this, girl. Use those muscles. Wow, someone took a really good nap. Check us out. Here is Oh My Bird Color Relay. You tell me, what color is this birdie?
Pink.
Pink birdie.
Uh-huh. Purple. Blue. Green.
All right, so we're going to put the mama birdies here. Here's green mama birdie, pink mama birdie, purple mama birdie, and blue mama birdie. Your job is to go get their babies, bring them back, and put them in the right nest. Because if you put a blue little egg with a green birdie, that doesn't make sense, right? You gotta put the blue babies with the blue mama, the pink babies with the pink mama. Ready? Set, go!
Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do you have? The blue one over there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 again. And let's count my 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count all together how many my eggs are. Who's the winner? Ba, 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 ba. All the eggs!
So as you can see, our Oh My Bird Color Relay was really a lot of fun, and it also allowed us to do more than what I originally thought we were going to do. We came up with an art project, and we made cute little birdies to go in our eggs, and just allowed us to spend some really good quality time together. That didn't include watching the TV. The other thing I wanted to mention about the game is that if you're playing with more than one child, you can set it up so that they're in teams. So maybe one team is the blue bird, mama, the other team is the pink bird, and just set it up like a relay. So they go out, they have to find the color egg that matches their team's color bird, which is something you can even do with the older kids if you wanted. I'm sure that they would enjoy it. Probably first, second grade would be the oldest kids that I would do the activity with.
Mommy.
I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining us here at Be in the Game. Be sure to subscribe and check back weekly for new games and activities.